Sometimes in WhatsApp, before sending any photo, you may want to crop that photo. For that, you don't want to use any editing application. You can directly do this from WhatsApp application only. In this video, we'll be telling about how to crop images before sending in WhatsApp. For this, first what we need to do is open WhatsApp application. After that, select the contact to which you want to send cropped photo. For example, I'm selecting this contact. After that, down here you can see camera button, or here you can see pin like button. Click on this pin like button. Here you can either select camera or gallery, or you can select this camera button, and when you are clicking on that, here you can see option to take photo, or you can select photo from your gallery. Anyways, for example, I'm selecting this photo. After that, if you want to crop this image before sending, above you can see a button like this. Click on this button. When you are clicking on that, here you can see option to crop this photo. Here you can crop according to your need. And if you want to rotate this image, you can click on this button and rotate this image. Anyways, after every cropping is completed, click on this done button. And after that, here you can see send button. Click on this send button and that photo will be sent. So this way you can easily crop any images before sending in WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.